right, I'll show you real quick here how to lock some stuff in the in Google Slides. So for instance, if I wanted to make that Sudoku puzzle, I just typed in here images blank Sudoku, and here are some of the results here. So found a Sudoku map there. It's just blank, as you can see. So I'll put that on the image exactly where I want it, because once we lock this, you won't be able to move it around. And you can put anything else in here that you want to lock. For instance, text box. So you could say drag the images to complete the puzzle, and you can make this fancy, you know, change the text, stuff like that. So however you want it to do, whatever is going to kind of lock it in place here. And then you can even add images into here. So if you wanted your numbers or images or whatever, you can kind of drag and drop those on there. So let's see if I can add some stuff here real quick. Like for instance, if I wanted to do numbers, let's just say the number 1, and I drag that to say this box. And I can expand that a little bit to kind of resize it. Whoops, that need to fix that just a little bit there. Okay, and just as an example, you could clean that up a little bit, change the numbering and stuff like that, make it to fit the size a little bit better. But what I would do at this point, once I have everything kind of set here, I can, so in other words, the non-movable parts, I could go to File, Download, and download this as a PNG. So right here, if I download it as a PNG, and it's going to download right down here in the bottom. And then what I could do is I could actually get rid of all this. So if I just delete that stuff, and I change the background, and I choose an image, you can just drag what you saved down here, drag it right into here and drop it, and that will upload as now a background image. So now this is now your background, and nothing can be moved or edited or clicked or dragged or anything, because it's set into the background now, so nothing can move here. So at this point you would just drag you would just insert your other shapes here or whatever, your numbers that you want to put to add into the puzzle, and these now can be movable, and you can drag and drop onto the puzzle there. So, and however you want to clean that up, it doesn't even have to be a shape. It could just be a text box with no borders. That way it probably looks a little bit cleaner. So something like that. So hopefully that helps you. And, allows you to work with those puzzles a little bit better there. So anyway, let's talk to you later. See you next time.